Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your TV actually supports Bluetooth and that its firmware is current. This prevents needless troubleshooting later. Once done, power up and fully charge your Bluetooth device, then activate its pairing mode, usually a long press or indicator blink, because only discoverable devices appear on the TV. Make sure you have the TV remote and your phone or tablet nearby. They help navigate menus and, if needed, use a mobile app to initiate pairing faster. Now navigate your TV menus. Go to Settings, then the Sound, Connections, or Network section depending on the model, because manufacturers place Bluetooth differently. Next, select Bluetooth and choose Scan or Add Device. The TV will actively search for discoverable accessories. When you see your device's name, select it and confirm any PIN prompts, usually 0000 or 1234, since this completes the secure handshake. If the TV offers a pairing timeout, start the process quickly to avoid rescanning. Finish by selecting the newly paired device as the TV's audio or input-output and immediately test playback. This verifies both connection and correct routing. If audio drops or pairing fails, restart the TV and the accessory. Simple reboots clear transient Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, unpair and repair, move devices closer to reduce interference, and as a last resort, reset the TV's Bluetooth cache or factory network settings. These steps eliminate corrupted pair lists and restore normal connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.